Hello, lovely people, and welcome to another video in this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you are new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Our topic for today focuses on usages of the present simple tense of a verb. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, answer this question: how many of them do you already know by heart? Let's move on to the very first use of the present simple tense of a verb. We use this verb tense when we want to state a general truth or a scientific fact. Here are three examples. The sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. Water is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Another instance when we use the present tense of a verb is when we give directions or instructions. Let's take a look at these examples. Go straight until you see the hospital. The park is next to it. Turn the light off before you leave the house. The third use of the simple present tense of a verb is to indicate habitual actions or things that happen regularly. For instance, we say, every day she goes to work by bus. The company publishes its magazine weekly. Next, the present simple tense is used with future events that are fixed. We can say, winter break starts on 20th of December. The next flight is at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here is the fifth use of the present tense of a verb. We use it in clauses of time. For instance, after he finishes his studies, he will go abroad. Take note that the present tense is in the clause of time as the other clause makes use of will. Number 6 and the second to the last that we are going to discuss is the use of the present simple in conditionals, particularly the zero and the first conditional. An example of a zero conditional is this: ice melts if you heat it. We use the zero conditional to talk about things that are generally true, especially for laws and rules. As for the first conditional, we can say, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, we'll go to the beach. We use the first conditional when we talk about future situations we believe are real or possible. Finally, we use the present simple tense to discuss about past events as if they were just happening now. This is what we call the historic present. Here is an example of a historical present. It is a bright summer day in 1947. My father, a fat, funny man with beautiful eyes and a subversive wit, is trying to decide which of his 8 children he will take to the county fair. The historical present is also used in news bulletins and banners. Example, the announcer may say, fire hits a city center building.